My name is David Fisher. I'm the Managing Director of Ducane Australia. Our principal product is the DrainWave, which is having a positive environmental impact at its early stage commercialisation. I'm going to give 4 applications in different countries of the world as an example of what is possible. The first application is with septic tanks and absorption beds, which have been around for approximately 200 years and have always had a septicity or concentration of waste issue at the start of them. In the United States, for example, 30% of houses have septic tanks and they have this environmental health issue because of it. In the Cook Islands, they have the same concentration of waste issue, which is killing coral because it leaches into the sea. And in Papua New Guinea, we have an issue there with cholera. Cholera still exists and it breeds in this area. The second application is in Abu Dhabi, where they have large pipe diameters at very flat grades. To combat in the past this problem, they've put a ring main around a house with manholes, and we're able to take those manholes out and put the DrainWave in and eliminate the risk. The third application is in Australia, where grey water diversion is the latest darling of sustainability, where you take water out of the house from baths, for example, use it to irrigate your garden. But the more water you take out of the house, the less you have going down the drains. We're able to put the DrainWave in and solve this problem and enable grey water diversion. And the fourth application is in the United Kingdom, where, like all first world countries, they're putting in dishwashers and washing machines which use less water and more efficient fixtures. They're putting less water into the house and therefore less water into the drain. So we're able to put the DrainWave in and solve the problem. Now, the way that the DrainWave does this is has inlet ports which collect the water. It temporarily holds it in a tipping bucket, and when the bucket has enough water in it, it releases it in a dose. And this dose is exactly the same as if you release a dam in a river, so have a big rush down the river. And the DrainWave does this several times a day. It uses no external power, has one moving part, and while it looks simple, has a lot of complex hydraulic engineering to go about that. So the innovative process, the innovative concept is this temporary collection, holding and releasing as a dose. For this, we're proud to say that the first of 43 countries has recognised the full patent. We have 3 registered designs, and the name DrainWave is now a registered trademark. The product, because it was so innovative, we had to write new standards for it. So we wrote an Australian and New Zealand standard, and as soon as that was approved, we then took that to the United Kingdom to get certification for the United Kingdom and for Europe, and we've also taken it to the United States and for Canada. A bit of external awards which give us some feedback on how innovative it is that the BAU Awards in Germany last year, we were awarded the best product, beating 770 other international products. The Water Industry Alliance this year in Australia awarded us the most innovative product, and we've just been shortlisted in the very prestigious Banksia Awards in 2 categories, one for water and one for clean technology. So the business model that we're working with, after 5 years of development and research, we're now commercial and have been for less than 12 months. We've sold approximately 1,050 units, with more on the drawings coming through the development pipeline. Our board consists of expertise in marketing, commerce, law, engineering and construction. Our method of getting the product to market is using a licensed manufacturer and then using licensed regional distributors. We're proud to have teamed up with Hills Industries for Australia, New Zealand and Papua New Guinea, and equally so in the United Kingdom and Ireland with Conserve Limited. The path forward for us now is to grow those markets. We're also waiting on a contract pending for the Middle East, and we've started early stage investigations for Canada, the United States and for Brazil. With those markets, we're proud to say that we'll be able to push the DrainWave forward and have a very positive environmental impact for the world. I thank you for your time.